welcome back to Playtime with Gabby. Today, I'm going to bake peanut butter pancakes. This is my first time baking peanut butter pancakes. The ingredients: we need pancake mix, milk, and a cup, a big bowl, pancake mix, some eggs, peanut butter, and dark chocolate. And our utensils, we have a fork, a mixing, and a spatula. Let's start. First, we put the pancake mix to the bowl. Now, we need to put the milk. We are going to put it to 1 cup. Let's open up the milk. Put the cap here. It's a little heavy. Whoa, this is heavy. I think I need somebody to help me because it's really heavy. Let's put the milk in. Now we put the egg. Let's use the fork. Okay, let's mix. Whoa. My hands are really messy. Okay, let's do another one. Whoa. It's so cool. Okay, next. Now let's put the peanut butter, the dark chocolate. Wow, it's really good. Let's continue mixing. My sister is going to help me mix. Auntie, Mom, dear, miss. Okay. so yummy! I can't wait to taste it! Let's taste it! Okay, it smells so good. Let's taste it again. Bye-bye!